What if you could extract hundreds of business leads from Google Maps automatically, including emails, phone numbers, websites, ratings, and more in just a few clicks? Introducing MappyLeads, the AI-powered Google Maps scraper built for marketers, agencies, freelancers, and lead generation pros. Fast, smart, and fully automated. No coding, no complex setup, just pure lead extraction power. MappyLeads comes with a modern high-speed dashboard. Simply enter a search like Dentist New York and hit Start. Watch as it automatically opens Google Maps, browses results, and extracts business data in real time. You get names, emails, phones, websites, ratings, reviews, addresses, and coordinates, all updated live inside the app. Its AI scraping engine handles scrolling, retrees, and navigation automatically. No manual effort needed. And with built-in email discovery, it can even pull emails directly from business websites and contact pages. Need scale? Use batch mode. Load hundreds of search queries from TXT or CSV files and let MappyLeads process them automatically, one by one. Perfect for agencies, lead generation teams, and local marketing research. Track everything with real-time progress, queue status, and extracted lead counts. For advanced users, the built-in Proxy Manager supports HTTP, HTTPS, and SOCKS5. Import proxies in bulk, test them instantly, and rotate them automatically for safer scraping. Once done, export your leads in CSV, Excel, or JSON. Split by query or use presets like emails only, phones only, contacts only, or full data. Ready for outreach, CRMs, or marketing campaigns. Stop wasting hours collecting leads manually. Start automating your lead generation today with MappyLeads, the ultimate AI Google Maps scraper for Windows.